Welcome to the Zolmi Success Academy. In this video, you'll learn how to boost your salon or spa revenue by increasing client loyalty and visit frequency using memberships. We'll walk you through how to easily create, sell, and redeem memberships all from your Zolmi account. What are the benefits of selling your services in sessions and memberships? More repeat visits and higher client retention. Stronger cash flow with upfront or recurring payments. You'll deliver a better customer experience during regular appointments and build deeper loyalty. Let's now learn how to create a membership that keeps your clients coming back and helps you lock in steady, predictable revenue. Start by heading to the services section. This is where you'll decide which services you'd like to include in your membership, like massages, facials, or nail treatments. Now go to Memberships and click Add Membership. Give your membership a clear, appealing name, something your clients will instantly understand and love. Next, pick the services from your list that you want to include. You can offer a limited number of sessions, like 5 or 10, or an unlimited option for a set time, great for monthly wellness plans. Then add a short, clear description of your membership. And short and clear terms and conditions your clients should know when buying and using the membership. Then set the duration, how long the membership will be valid for. After that, choose the price that offers great value for money to your clients. When you're ready, hit Save. Your new membership is now ready to sell. To sell a membership, go to the calendar, click Add, choose Sale, and select the client, which is obligatory for selling memberships. Under Items, choose Memberships and choose the membership requested by the client and complete the payment the standard way. The membership will be automatically assigned to your client and saved in their profile. Now you can book prepaid sessions just like any regular service. Zolmi will automatically show you which services have already been prepaid for. And when you select a service covered by a membership, Zolmi will show you how many sessions are left and apply a 100% discount at checkout since it's already paid. To check a client's membership status, go to their profile, then click Memberships. You'll see a full list of all active and past memberships, remaining sessions, and expiration dates. Need to pause a membership? You can do that here too. That concludes how to set up and sell service in multi-sessions and memberships with Zolmi. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and then click on the notification bell.